Hello and welcome to this short video on the cup holder and accessory tray for the Kupo Tethermate laptop support system. The Kupo Tethermate is a modular system that not only allows you to securely mount your laptops and iMacs to light stands and other grip equipment, but there are many accessories that mount quickly and easily to the platform, converting a simple platform into a workstation. This is a disaster waiting to happen. Yes, we've all seen it happen. Expensive, time-consuming repairs, data recovery, or worse, data loss from liquid in your laptop. These situations can all be easily avoided. With a Tethermate cup holder, you can get your caffeine on without imminent disaster. Just slide the metal mounting tab into one of the slots around a Tethermate and tighten the set screw to secure in place. The cup holder can accommodate cups, tools, pens, etc. up to 4 inches in diameter. Now you can get your drink on safely while you work. I would suggest you wait until happy hour for some adult beverages. But whatever your poison is, please drink responsibly. Now let's check out the Tethermate accessory tray. Just slide the metal mounting tab of the accessory tray into one of the Tethermate slots and tighten the set screw to secure in place. The accessory tray is made from durable ABS and is sectioned to keep your accessories such as memory cards, pens, paper clips, etc. organized. It rotates to give you easy access to each section. Now you can keep hydrated and organized at the same time with these handy additions to Kupo's Tethermate laptop and iMac support system. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.